Every girl wants to be a princess. Every girl wants a charmed life. Every girl wants to find her Prince Charming.
Hey, stop doing that. You're hurting her. Ano ba pakialam mo?
Ang sabi sa akin ng manghuhula, sasaktan lang daw ako ng Prince Charming ko.
Hindi totoo yung hula-hula na yan. Because I will never hurt the princess. You're my anchor. You're my compass. You're my North Star.
But a happily ever after doesn't happen all the time.
Kuya, sabihin mo na sa akin ng totoo. Ano ba talagang nangyayari?
Bankrupt na si Papa.
I don't think it's a good idea for us to be together.
Ang ibig mong sabihin, yun lang yun?
I'm sorry, but this should teach you a lesson never to trust someone like me again.
Skylight Films and Regal Films bring us a Loris Guillen film inspired by the Precious Hearts Romances bestseller. Starring Enchong D.
Pwede ko bang hingin sa itong araw na to? Kahit itong araw lang na to.
JC De Vera.
I know, somewhere deep in your heart, you will learn to love me.
And Erich Gonzalez.
Baka nakakalimutan mo na mag-asawa tayo!
I'm sorry. Maniwala ka, hindi ko sinasadya.
In the end, will she make her own happy ending?
Pagod na ako. Tapusin na natin to.
Once a Princess. Open 6th of August in cinemas.